Wondering which local SEO tool actually delivers results for your business? We tested FatRank and Checkatrade head-to-head. Here's what we found. FatRank is an AI-powered local SEO platform designed to boost your visibility on Google Maps and search results. Checkatrade focuses on connecting trades professionals with customers through verified reviews and lead generation. Both target small businesses and freelancers differently, so understanding their core purpose is crucial before deciding which fits your needs. FatRank offers keyword tracking, review management, and competitor analysis specific to local markets. Checkatrade provides customer verification, rating protection, and lead distribution. FatRank excels if you're chasing organic search rankings. Checkatrade wins if you need qualified customer leads. Choose based on whether your priority is visibility or customer acquisition. FatRank pricing starts around $99.99 monthly depending on features. Checkatrade requires profile setup but charges commission on completed jobs, typically 10 to 15%. For freelancers and small trades, Checkatrade's pay-per-lead model beats fixed costs. For service areas needing SEO dominance, FatRank's predictable pricing offers better control and faster results. Choose FatRank if local SEO rankings matter most. Choose Checkatrade if you need verified customer leads immediately. Honestly, many successful trades use both strategically. Test each free trial, track your actual leads and revenue for 30 days, then decide. Your specific business model determines the winner here. Which tool fits your business? Draw FatRank if local SEO rankings matter most. Choose Check. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons.